on storm chasers right now, looking for a storm, following it down the canyon.
Oh yeah, it's a Riley one.
Crikey, that was a big strike of lightning.
She rode in from the west in a summer sun, just hotter than the heat in July. With her wind-blown hair, it just wasn't fair, the way she was blowing my mind. Have you ever noticed every hurricane gets its name from a girl like this? She's a cat five kind, keeps you up at night, hanging on to the end of a kiss. She's a beautiful miss. Yeah, the kind you love to love, but what happens next? I got a feeling when the sun comes up, I'm gonna wish I had a storm warning. I'm gonna wish I had a sign. I'm gonna wish I had a little heads up, a little leeway, a little more time. Or some kind of radar system locked in on love. I got a feeling by the time the night finds the morning, I'm gonna wish I had a storm warning. I'm gonna wish I had a storm warning. Ain't it funny?
On the way with the tornado flash flood warning. We're driving right through. We're gonna find the storm of a century.
Girl from your favorite song, put a beautiful mess. One part angel, one part perfect, one part brick. The kind of fun you'll never forget. I'm gonna wish I had a storm warning. I'm gonna wish I had a sign. I'm gonna wish I had a little heads up, a little leeway, a little more time. Some kind of radar system.
We've been traveling for about an hour and a half now. All we've seen are rocks and mountains. There's been many lightning strikes, but we've yet to capture one on film. But we're resilient. We'll keep trying. We'll upload this to YouTube later. I'm using the HD camcorder with the high sensitivity.
If you look to your right, you will see a big storm. If you look to your left, you will see a big storm. But if you look straight ahead, no storm at all. So what we're going to do, we're going to go off-roading. Dad, can we go off-roading? Okay, we're going to stay on we're gonna stay on this road. No, we need to get a storm while we're on the plane. Under clouds.
Could this be the end of storm chasers?
No. Oh, you just missed it.
Oh, darn it, I missed it. So, here's the landscape. Pretty cool.
The water going off the glass.
Oh, this is an intense storm out here.
We are heading into the eye of the tornado. As you can see, it is very scary and it is very windy.
It's actually just a rainstorm.
We are heading into the eye of the rainstorm. As you can see, all the other cars on the road, they're turning around, running away scared. But us storm chasers, oh, we go right into the action.
64 degrees.
Well, it's now 84 degrees, the temperature's dropping.
Oh, there's a sure sign a storm is coming.
Sure side. Oh, Craig. Oh, Craig, we may have lost the storm. Oh, wait, sign of lightning. Oh. Crikey, did you see that?
Wow.
82 degrees, temperature's still dropping.
Will it ever stop raining?
We just missed it. Now the hill's in the way.
So tough.
Unfortunately, we're traveling in the opposite direction of the storm. We're
We're
actually...
heading right into it.
the rain.
Oh! Did you get that?
No, I don't think so.
They're right,
Darn
right
it.
over there. They're
Gosh
right
darn
over
it.
that front
We
door.
missed it.
They that's probably as close as you're gonna get to one.
We're detracting from our accents. It's raining quite heavily now.
As you can hear, it is pouring.
You can hear the pitter-patter on the windows. And still no sign of lightning.
Crikey, I just saw lightning. I thought I was going crazy for a second.
Looks like we're driving out of the storm.
Figures. Every time I turn this on, there's no lightning. I think that's it.
Now that is a storm with a little storm chaser.
So we haven't captured any of it. Alright, well, looks like that's the storm. Next time on Storm Chasers.
Storm Chasers Part 2. We are heading into a very big storm. It is off the southern rim of Grand Canyon. We are very afraid that maybe, just maybe, a big gust of wind might blow us into the canyon. It's a very dangerous profession, but we are prepared. We have signed the waiver forms.
It's 61 degrees, colder than it's been so far in Arizona.
Oh, that is a deep and chilling thought.